What is up guys, Tanny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add someone to an email thread. Let's start by creating a new email. So on the left side, click on compose, and after that, just type in the email that you want to send to. Just type the email of your recipient, and if you want to add another recipient, click on the CC tab, and after that, add another recipient. As you can see, I have added one more recipient, and when you click on this BCC, you can add an even one more recipient. And once you have added the members, add the subject, and after that, add the content. As you can see, I have written my subject and my content, and when I am done, here you can see I can schedule the send, but I need to send immediately. I'll click on send, and then as you can see, the message has been sent. And when I open my another ID of Gmail, as you can see, this meeting email has been received by my another email ID. So this is how you can add someone to your email threads in Gmail. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.